Now that you've seen the pieces and parts in your project, let's get started and set up your laptop for a first test. I'm going to record this first this way on my Mac, and then I'm going to do the same thing on Windows so you can see what this looks like on a Windows laptop. What we'll need to do is take your Circuit Playground and your USB cable and plug it into the Circuit Playground Express, and then plug it into a USB port on your laptop, going the correct way into the USB port on your laptop. Once you've done that, your board's going to turn on. It's either going to show green like this, or it will show some kind of animation. Now, I've already put a different one on mine from the default that it comes with, but you'll have a pretty lighted up animation on your Circuit Playground Express. So now we're ready to learn a little bit about programming. The website you want to go to is makecode.adafruit.com. And that's the programming language that we're going to use here. It's called MakeCode. The nice thing about it is that it's what they call block-based programming. It's very visual, very easy to use, and easy to program in. We'll do another video at another point on some other really fun project about how to program with an Arduino. But we're going to start our Arduino programming adventure with MakeCode. Because that's one of the things that makes this Circuit Playground Express just the easiest board to use. So, once you've got to that website, what we want to do is we're going to test that you can get programming and connectivity working. Because we want this to be as easy as possible for you. So these are the steps we're going to follow. And I'm going to come over here and do the exact same thing with you. So you're going to click on the New Project button on your screen. And then when you do that, you're going to see your Circuit Playground Express over here on the left-hand side. And it's not doing anything because the program isn't set up to do anything. You've also got a section of commands in the middle. And then on the right is our work area. And you'll notice in our work area, there's a block that says Forever. And that's the block that we want to tell to do something. So I'm going to click on the light button next. And I'm going to grab Show Animation. And notice how it has that same shape that the Forever Loop has. And I'm going to grab that and I'm going to drag it into my Forever Loop. And once I've done that, the Arduino over on the left-hand side of my screen is now going to start blinking beautifully, just like our Arduino will as soon as we push it down to the project. So now that we've created the program, oh, by the way, you've written your own program. Wasn't that hard? Programming is easy, guys. We're ready to download it. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to click the download button. Dink. And that's going to download that in my browser. But while it does it, it tells me what I need to do to be able to program it my board. So plug in the USB cable, push the reset button, and my Circuit Playground Express has now turned green. And now I need to go back to my file manager. Whether you're in Windows or on a Mac, you're going to go to your file manager. And in my downloads directory, I have a file labeled Circuit Playground. And all I need to do is drag that onto my disk. And now my disk is running its animation. That's all it takes to make sure you've actually successfully loaded and installed your program. Now, if you're on a PC and you had trouble doing that, watch the next video and I'll show you how to do it on a PC.